Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Airtable base permissions and sharing step by step clearly. Launch your web browser and go to the Airtable website. Log in to your Airtable account with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace that contains the base you wish to modify. Select the base you want to activate permissions for by clicking on it. In the top right corner of the base interface, find and click on the Share button. A pop-up window will appear displaying sharing options. To set permissions, locate the Workspace or Base Level Permissions section. Click on the drop-down menu to view available permission settings. Choose the permission level that suits your needs. Options typically include owner, editor, commenter, and read-only. After selecting the desired permission level, identify the users or groups you wish to share the base with. You can either enter their email addresses or select from your existing workspace members. Once you've added the users, click Invite or Share, depending on your interface. To manage each user's permissions individually, click on their name in the sharing pop-up. A drop-down will allow you to adjust their access level if needed. After setting the permissions, confirm your choices by clicking Done. You can now see all members and their corresponding permission levels listed. If you want to refine sharing options further, return to the Share menu. Explore additional choices like link sharing settings and expiration dates for access. Save any changes you make during this process. To exit, simply click outside the pop-up window or hit the X button in the corner. Your Airtable base permissions and sharing settings are now activated. Always remember to review permissions regularly to maintain security and collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.